Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you're all well. I hope you had a lovely weekend and you are ready for a new week of distance learning. This week we are going to be looking at a new book. Let's have a look at some of our reading strategies first. So first one we want to use is our eagle eye. That is when we look at a picture in the book to help us with the word. Our second one that we like to use a lot is our stretchy snake. Our stretchy snake is when we look at letters in the word, we stretch out the sounds nice and slowly, and then we put them back together to sound it out. Let's have a go at a stretchy snake of our own. So I'll have a go, then you have a go, then we'll say it all together one more time. Ready? Bending. B-N-D-ing. You have a go for me? Lovely job, well done. Bending. B-N-D-ing. Good job. So the book that we are going to be looking at this week is called Ballet. Have a think for me if you think this is a fiction book or a non-fiction book. So boys and girls, this is what our book looks like on Oxford Owl. Don't forget that you have access to this. So ballet. On Mondays we go to our ballet class. Stretching. First we sit on the floor. We stretch out our legs in front. Bending. We stand up to do knee bends. I bend down to the music, then I pull myself up again. Jumping. I love to jump in my ballet class. I go up and down to the music. I point my toes when I go up. Skipping. Then we skip across the room. I go first. Dancing in a line. Next, we all dance in a line. We all hold hands. We point with one foot. Then we point with the other foot. Dancing around. We swirl and twirl to the music. I love to dance at my ballet class. Now that I have finished reading the book, go all the way back to the beginning and have a go at reading it yourself. You can rewind this video to listen to me read it to you again, or down here on Oxford Owl, you can access the play button where they will read it to you. Boys and girls, you should be on to your Kahoot quiz by now. To access Kahoot, you can type it into Google at kahoot.it, or you can download it from the App Store. So your first quiz pin for your book is 0554464. Press enter. Once your page has loaded, it will look like this. It has 4 questions, and don't forget to join the game, you must enter your name. Once you have completed the quiz, don't forget to send me or your class teacher a picture to show us that you have completed it. Enjoy and have fun.